Hi, this is Michael Abbey again with Enterprise Express Tax LLC. I'm actually making a video at night. So this is something different for me, but I figured I'd try it out and see how it works. Obviously, the lighting is not the same, but I figured maybe this might be something a little different, dimmer lighting and all that. But anyway, here are some updates. The IRS starts to process electronic returns on January the 27th of 2020. So January the 27th is the start date for processing for the IRS. Now, what that means is that we will accept returns, we will process returns, we will transmit those returns to the IRS. However, the IRS will not start to process any returns until January the 27th. And that goes for the state of Maryland and probably DC as well. Okay. So we're encouraging people, go ahead and make your appointments. Come in with all your documents. Let's get started with the preparation, and we will go ahead and transmit to the IRS as soon as we've prepared them, and then the IRS will go ahead and transmit. Of course, it means that do not expect any refunds until after January the 27th. The other thing to note is that if you have a earned income credit on your return, if you're a recipient of the earned income credit or you qualify for the earned income credit, those will not get processed until January the 15th. Now, this has been typical for the last, I guess, couple of years because of extensive fraud for the Earned Income Credit Program. The IRS has decided, at least for the last 3, maybe 4 years, that they will not process those returns, or rather, they will delay the processing of those returns until February the 15th. So don't expect to get any refunds of the Earned Income Credit until after February the 15th. Well, apart from that, everything else is pretty much normal. We're expecting that it should be a pretty stress-free filing season. Just make sure that you have all your documents, all your income documents, all your receipts, for charity donations. If you have a business and you're doing a lot of deductions, make sure you also have those receipts as well, or at least some kind of a statement that explains the deductions that you are taking on your tax returns. Letting you also know that the state of Maryland is cracking down pretty hard on business returns that do not have any substantiation, meaning that if you have a business return or a Schedule C and you're writing off mileage, please make sure that you have either statements, documents, or anything of the sort that explains, the mileage that you took. Okay. All right. Feel free to call us, send us a text, again, 301-793-4226. If you have any questions, visit our website at www.moneytaxrefund.com. Or feel free to email us at myw2secure@gmail.com. myw2secure@gmail.com. Once again, it's Michael Abbey with Enterprise Express Tax LLC, giving you some tax updates, and I'm signing out. Thank you.